Hello everyone, my name is Jed Wallace, and I'm a staff technologist here at Cohesity. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the new Cisco XDR integration with Cohesity. But why is this important? Ransomware continues to challenge security and IT teams, causing financial loss, reputational damage, and potentially regulatory fines. These attacks cause significant data loss and operational disruption. Fortunately, Cohesity and Cisco collaborated to help reduce the impacts of ransomware attacks. The integration between Cohesity Data Protect and Cohesity Datahawk with Cisco XDR allows you to respond at the onset of a ransomware attack by automatically capturing backup snapshots of your critical data. This approach significantly reduces the recovery point objective, or RPO, and minimizes business disruption. Using the backup snapshots, incident responders also gain a more granular context of file system changes so that forensics investigations can be more effective and efficient. Let's quickly review the solutions components. Cohesity Data Protect is a modern backup and recovery solution that protects cloud-native, SaaS, and on-prem data at scale. Our unique backup and recovery capabilities improve RPO and minimize recovery time objectives, RTO. Cohesity Datahawk is a SaaS threat protection solution. Datahawk works with the Cohesity Data Protect to allow you to respond to cyber attacks and recover clean data. Cisco XDR correlates data from disparate security tools, applying analytics and threat intelligence from Cisco Talos and others so analysts can prioritize and act against cyber threats. Cisco XDR leverages automation, guided response, and orchestration workflows to effectively prioritize and rapidly mitigate threats. In this video, we will demonstrate how Cohesity's integration with Cisco XDR reduces the risk of data loss during an attack by ensuring that the most important workloads are backed up automatically when Cisco XDR detects an incident. Let's first look at this dashboard in Cisco XDR and identify an incident, then walk through how the automated Cohesity workflows in Cisco XDR will work when a potential threat is detected. In this example, we have one asset that appears to have had some suspicious activity. Now, by looking at the incident overview, by clicking malicious activity on the host, the priority score is 1000, which immediately brings to the top of the security analyst queue. Additionally, there were a variety of MITRE tactics and techniques that were correlated into a single incident. Next, let's go ahead and click on View Incident Details. If we go over to the Detections tab, we can see that the incident shows all of the detections that are part of the incident. In this case, we can see a detection source for My Secret Intel Source. Diving into the full investigation view, the analyst can review the data across a timeline to understand the chronological sequence of alerts the incident is comprised of. Initially, low severity endpoint alerts are seen from the secure endpoint, but early in the attack chain. XDR Analytics then creates a critical detection, which is the trigger point for a Cohesity snapshot. So now let's shift gears and take a look at Cisco XDR Automation Workflows. Here you can see I have a few workflows listed. I'm going to go ahead and click on this workflow here, which is Take Protection Group Snapshot for Effective VMs. And then I'm going to go ahead and view workflows. Now, this is a user-friendly workflow editor that enables your security operations team to speed up their investigation and response processes. With this tool, you can create your own workflows or import them in from Cisco and Cohesity. In this demo, I'm going to walk through the Take Protection Group Snapshot for Affected VMs workflow, which is triggered by an automation rule. You could configure the criteria for automatically triggering this workflow to take into account the MITRE TTPs involved in the incident. So we've returned back over on the incidents page, and let's take a look at the Worklog. And to get there, I'm going to click on the app server, and then I'm going to click View Incident Details, and then I'm going to click on Worklog. Here we can see the workflow automation Take Protection Group Snapshot was triggered to take an immediate snapshot of the app server that will be critical for future forensics analysis. When Cisco XDR initiates the snapshot using Cohesity API, all machines in the protection group will be backed up. This ensures that even if the initial trigger point was on a low value asset, a backup is created of a high value asset, such as the app server, before it is compromised. Also, any data sensitivity information associated with a virtual machine is identified by Cohesity's DataHawk data classification capabilities, which is added to the incident notes in the Cisco XDR. Let's take a look at how the protection run is doing within Cohesity. So if I come over to the Cohesity dashboard, I want to go find that protection group that the VM in question is in. So I'm going to click on data protection, and then let's find the job that VM is in, which it should be WinApp 21 through 23. And we can see here that the status of the protection one was indeed successful. You can then recover these VMs into a sandbox or quarantine environment to support forensics analysis and to ensure the VMs in the backup snapshots are clean of any malware before restoring them back into your production environment. This completes the demonstration. We performed a tour of the new Cohesity and Cisco XDR integration and went through some of the features and workflows, which allows you to respond early by taking a backup snapshot of your critical data automatically when a potential threat is detected, rather than, let's say, taking a snapshot at the next scheduled backup. This approach helps minimize data loss and disruption to your business operations and speeds up recovery. Thank you, and thank you for watching this demo. Have a great day.